The other day I was talking to my cousin and he was like, I just started a business. And I was like, wow, good for you. Starting a business is hard. And he goes, starting isn't the hard part. And that just hit me over the head like a ton of bricks. It's true. That's not the hard part. The hard part is getting customers and keeping them. Anyways, how are you guys doing? You want to learn how to get more customers, don't you? Well, I've found 4 questions that you should be asking ChatGPT that are going to give you personalized strategies for your own business. Okay, so let's say you have a business, right? But you're having trouble getting customers. Here are going to be 4 questions that you should be asking ChatGPT. The way that you phrase your questions is super important because the answer will only be as good as your question. Like if you said, write me a marketing plan for my clothing business, I think the answer is probably going to suck. But if you're like, write me TikTok content for my athleisure business that targets boomers, then you're gonna get a much better answer. So follow along with me. I'm gonna show you how to write the perfect prompts. Make better converting Facebook ads by getting ChatGPT to write your copy for you. So we're gonna say, can you write me copy for my Facebook ad for my blank company? And for me, I'm gonna do a perfume company, so I'm gonna give it these details. I'm gonna say the name of our perfume company is, we're gonna call it Fig. You can fill in the blank as you wish. And then you're gonna say the product that you're selling. So the perfume I'm gonna be promoting is gonna be called Ripe Fig. So I'll write that here. And then explain who you are targeting. So I'm gonna be targeting females age 20 and up with compulsive shopping habits. They're gonna make $100,000 a year. And yeah, you're just gonna wanna be specific. Then say the unique selling features. So I'm gonna say that the ingredients are locally sourced farm ingredients, okay? And then I'm gonna tell it the tone that I want. So I would like this to all convey some sort of prestige. Then once you have your ad copy, you're gonna need a photo, right? So let's head over to Dolly. This is an AI tool where you can tell it what kind of photo you want, and it's gonna make it for you pretty much out of thin air. Like it can be really specific, like photograph of a glass perfume bottle in a fig vineyard with a white label that says fig. I don't even think a fig vineyard is a real thing. But now basically guys, you have your Facebook ad copy, right? And you have your image as well. And that together is a complete package. And you can even go a step further and ask it to give you recommendations on how to set up your campaign and your audience. So this is a really powerful tool. Oh, and by the way, guys, I made you a template to save you time so that you can easily copy and paste all these prompts into ChatGPT. So I will put that for you guys in the description box. By the way, guys, if you want to learn how to create irresistible content that attracts and retains more customers, it really does help to have a solid marketing plan. And if you haven't already made one, I would say now's the time. So that is why I have another free template for you guys to use. And we've also created a free online course that will walk you through how to use that template. If you are interested in either of those things, I will leave links for you guys in the description box below. Okay, next question. Let's jump right back into ChatGPT. Okay, so you can get it to write you blog articles to better your SEO and get fresh new people to come and visit your site. And I mean like full-fledged blog articles. So for this, I would recommend that you guys use Copy AI. You can use ChatGPT, but sometimes I find it a bit formal unless you set the stage properly. But either way, here's what you should be saying. So you should say, write me a blank toned blog article. I'm gonna say sophisticated for me and my brand. You would say whatever it is for your brand. And then you're gonna wanna say how you're gonna add value with this blog article. So we're gonna say to help people learn why perfumes with locally sourced ingredients are considered ethical and prestigious. But of course, you would just fill in the blank here, right? And then guys, this is something that's so overlooked. You wanna educate ChatGPT about who you are. It can read web pages. So I'm gonna say, please subtly include product recommendations from my store, which can be found here. And then you'd put your store URL so that not only are you selling your products in your article, but you are creating a really great piece of content. And then boom, guys, you are educating people about your niche and your product, and you have done so in less than 5 minutes. So because you can pull this off so quickly, you can do this consistently over time, and you're just gonna watch your website traffic go up and up. Oh, and guys, by the way, don't forget that ChatGPT's information only goes up to 2021. So if you wanted to write a blog article on, say, like a recent event or something, I don't think that would necessarily work. Another thing that I should mention is that you wanna make sure that you are rewriting chunks of that content that it is spitting out, because word on the street is that Google will ding you and your SEO for posting AI generated content without modifying. I don't know, that's what I've been hearing. Let me know in the comment section if you have also been hearing that as well. So I don't know if you guys know this, but SMS marketing is taking over the world. Email marketing has a 20% open rate, but texts have a 98% open rate according to ManyChat. I don't know about you, but I just opened them to get rid of that notification. Anyways, you can get ChatGPT to write you a week's or even a month's worth of SMS content. So the prompt that I'm going to use for this is write me 10 SMS marketing messages that are all no more than blank long. So I'm just going to put 2 sentences. I think that's great because it probably should be no more than that. And then please make them about an upcoming 20% off sale. You would just put whatever topic is relevant for you and your business here, of course, and then write them in a blank tone. And then for us, we're just going to say casual and friendly. And then also tell it to make sure that the copy is on brand according to your website. And what you're going to want to do is drop your URL just like this. So if you want, say, like another 10 texts, but they're all about different topics, I would recommend that you do that in either a separate prompt or in chained prompts, because I have noticed that ChatGPT might get a little confused. But yeah, you see, look at all these absolutely sickening texts that I can now easily copy and paste into Klaviyo or MailChimp or whatever I'm using. Okay, so this last prompt is actually arguably the most important. So if you're really having trouble getting customers, like you have tried everything and you just cannot figure out what you're missing, then you can talk to ChatGPT like a human and ask it to give you personalized business advice. So everyone has a different story, right? So use this prompt to explain your story and what's going on for you. So like, say for example, let's say, I have my perfume business. I've been really trying to focus on wholesale sales and no one is biting. I might say something like this to ChatGPT. I might be like, I'm having trouble making wholesale sales with my perfume business. I have tried sending emails to retailers all over the US and most of the businesses don't even respond to me. And I cannot figure out what I am doing wrong. Please ask me clarifying questions, but can you help me analyze my situation and give me advice to make wholesale sales? And guys, the results of this is insane. Look at my screen. It's asking me clarifying questions. Like, how many retailers have you reached out to so far? Over what period of time? Like, these questions are amazing. And when I do give it some background information, it's gonna give me clear step-by-step instructions like this right here. Literally insane, guys. So cool. And I really love this feature because you can talk to it as you would a freelancer and it will take your feedback and really understand you. It's an incredible tool. If you guys want any of these prompts, I will put it in the description box for you so that you can easily copy and paste and fill in the blanks as you see fit. Okay, so now that you've gotten a sense of how you can use AI to boost your e-commerce sales, I think you're ready to take the leap and start your Shopify store. And the best part is that they offer a free trial. So there's no credit card required, which is really nice. And you can try some of the features out for yourself and see if it is right for you. So if you are ready to start selling online, then be sure to click the link right over here and in the description box below. All right, guys, what do you think? Was that helpful? Let me know in the comment section which prompts you will be using. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And do not forget to hit subscribe. So this channel right here that you're watching is called Learn with Shopify. We teach you how to grow an online business. So if that's you, if you're an entrepreneur and you want to grow your business, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.